In this video, I'll be reviewing the PLOUISE Pro 15 course to see if it's worth your money. I am a South African makeup artist residing in Cape Town, and these are my thoughts on the PLOUISE Pro course. It is a £500 course with the estimated worth of over £3,000. Is it worth it? Keep on watching to find out. This course provides you with a kit worth over £1,400, a minimum of 4 in-depth tutorials per month for a year, 4 academy visits to the PLOUISE HQ, which I was unfortunately unable to attend because it is based in the UK and I live in South Africa, optional Zoom lessons, and you receive a 30% pro discount credit card. Who is PLOUISE, you might be wondering?
From growing up on a council estate to owning a global cosmetic brand, 𝐦𝐤𝐤𝐿 is one of the most successful beauty CEOs around today. She wows over 2 million followers on the platform with regular show-stopping looks and easy-to-follow hacks.
Relatability and people being able to feel familiar and comfortable whilst watching your video is key. That is what makes you someone right now.
With a makeup training academy to her name and best-selling beauty products, she's proved that anyone can rise to the top working hard at what they love.
The makeup kit includes 5 colored paints. You get 9 cosmetic bases, 3 eyebrow pencils, 3 eyebrow gels, 2 loose pigments, 3 double-ended liquid eyeliners. The pigment payoff of those eyeliners are really good. 2 lip drip lip glosses, 1 sculpting primer and 1 pore perfecting primer. I got 1 highlighting palette with 8 shades. I got 3 lip liner and lipstick kits. I got 1 eyebrow glue, 4 liquid blushes, and 10 pairs of lashes. I also got 20 brushes, and I got 74 single pro eyeshadows and a magnetic palette. So that's £1,400 worth of makeup.
No, God! No, God, please, no!
In this video, I completed one of the tutorials in the PLOUISE Pro course. I followed it step by step to a T, and it took me 3 hours or 4 hours to complete. So the course has an option to either download the PDF documents of the tutorials, or you can watch the videos. So there are 60 videos in total. You get 4 videos per month, 1 video per week. I've always wanted to do a PLOUISE course, and my mom kindly made that dream possible by purchasing a £500 course for me for my birthday. And I appreciate it. Thank you, Mom. Oh, go check out her channel. We make cooking videos for her, and she makes delicious food. Maybe you should try some. I'll link her channel in the description. I recently completed the PLOUISE course, and I learned a lot, and I really improved in my makeup. So I can say that the PLOUISE course is well worth the amount that I paid, or should I say my mom paid. And there is options to either pay up front £500 one time, or you can pay over 4 months £125, or you can pay over 10 months £50. I think that I was one of the only South Africans to have purchased this PLOUISE Pro course. Let me know in the comments if you're from South Africa and what you think of the course. I definitely recommend that you try the PLOUISE makeup because it is such good pigment, such good quality, and I think it's actually better than some of the biggest brands like MAC, Catrice, L'Oreal, Maybelline. I've tried their makeup. Their pigments are very powdery, not as pigmented. They don't have so many colors to choose from because I love colors and I always change my hair. My hair must match my makeup. Yeah, so it's just my opinion that PLOUISE is the best makeup. It lasts so long. Like, I've had my makeup for a year now that I bought from the course, and it's like I haven't even used it. It's like still brand new. Let me know in the comments if you want to see all my makeup from PLOUISE.
In real life.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!